Lot number 3052, C as in cat. Here we have ourselves 2002 Sea-Doo GTX DI. We are tearing this machine down into parts. Reason for the teardown: the engine's got a hole in it. Customer doesn't want to fix, so we're going to part it out. Parts are available. Martos Motorsports, 218-844-4968, located in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. It's a freshwater jet ski. We'll do a walk around. It's a fairly clean boat. It's green is the color, kind of an olive looking green. The jet pump is out of it, but is inside the boat. We thought maybe the pump was bad, but the motor is. We don't know the hours on the machine. The MPEM works, but the gauge we can't get to read right now because the engine is locked up and the engine is in pieces inside the hull. We tore it down prior to knowing. Anyways, here you have it. Thanks for stopping by.